Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing great. In this video, we will specifically talk about a broker, a stockbroker who has been in the Indian market for a very short span of time, but in this very short span of time, they have achieved a lot. And this is not a small feat. Actually, this is a very big feat, and I am talking about none other than M stock. Now, if you can remember, we have talked about M stock previously, and time and again, why am I saying about M stock is they have achieved a more than 1 lakh trades in a single trading session. So that's a very big thing which we have to remember, right? We'll talk about their pricing, we'll talk about their technology, what technology or what trading platform they are offering, and also we will see how their demat account works, how you can save in terms of brokerage, and how you can also use their margin trading facility. So these are all the things which mstock gives. And mstock, before going into the content or before talking about mstock, let me tell something about mstock. Mstock is a sister concern of Mirae Assets. So if you know what is Mirae Asset is a South Korean company which is into investment banking, insurance, so on and so forth. So it's a big company. It's a $1 billion company which is working out of South Korea, Seoul, and they are having their mstock as their sister concern in India. Now, if you see their pricing plans, it's almost zero brokerage. Now, if you can ask me, if somebody is giving zero, see, there is no free lunch, right? If somebody is telling the brokerage is going to be zero, they might be charging some clearing member. They might not be a clearing member charges. Clearing member, they might charge clearing member charges. If you see your contract note, they will show you CM charges. CM charges means clearing member charges. I can assure you mstock is also a clearing member. At the same time, they are not charging you even a single penny for brokerage. No matter what trade you take, whether it is equity, whether it is cash, whether it is F&O, whether it is commodity, or whether it is mutual fund, no matter what trade you take, it is zero cost. It is not going to cost you zero. Now let us say I'm as a trader, let us say I'm trading with a discount broker who is charging me 20 rupees per lot. Now how much is going to be my charges or cost when it comes to brokerage at the end of the year? Let's say on an average you are trading 10 lots per day, or let's say 5 lots per trade, 5 lots per day. And if you calculate the whole year charges, it will end up maybe somewhere around 50 to 60,000. So you can save this 50 to 60,000 per annum. So this is just for 1 year I'm talking. Let's say you are a very active trader, you are a full-time trader, and you are trading full-time, okay? You don't have any other job, you are a full-time trader, you are having huge funds, you are trading for a very long run, okay? So if you calculate on a yearly basis, you can maybe, let's say you are trading for 5 years or 10 years, down the line if you check, maybe you can save 5 lakhs or 6 lakhs in brokerage itself. Now, in terms of their demat and trading account, they have two plan, which is 999 rupees plan. I'll explain about what is this 999 rupees plan. This is a zero brokerage for life plan. Whether you are taking delivery, whether you are doing intraday trades, whether you are trading in derivatives, Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, Mid Cap, whatsoever, F&O, there is not going to be any brokerage at all. Zero brokerage. Or let's say if you are going for IPO, or let's say you are going for currency, no matter what you do, it is just 999 rupees. You pay 999 rupees and you can do whatever you want. And you know how much is the saving going to be in terms of brokerage? We'll show you the cost saving in terms of brokerage also in this later part of the video. So make sure you stream fully. Now, if you don't want to pay 999 rupees, not an issue. You can pay 149 rupees. So, if you pay 149 rupees, the delivery, mutual fund, and IPO is going to be free of cost, zero cost. But you will have to pay for equity, you have to pay for cash segment, you will have to pay for F&O. Maybe you will have to pay just 20 rupees per order. I'm not saying per lot, I'm saying 20 rupees per order. On top of that, you can add additionally 999. If you pay additional 999, you will have free AMC also. AMC means annual maintenance charges. If you are a broker, if you are a trader, if you are trading with somebody, you might know that every year a broker will charge you AMC charges, which is annual maintenance charges. If you pay 999 also, that AMC is also gone now. So 999, you can opt for 999 plan. Plus, if you pay another 999, AMC is also free. So, in a total, if you pay 2000 rupees, your lifetime brokerage and AMC is free of cost. Nobody is going to charge you. Otherwise, if you pay 999 plus 149, you will not pay any charges for delivery and mutual fund and IPO. Apart from that, intraday trading, F&O or commodity if you play, or F&O if you play, they will charge you around 20 rupees per order. So these are the plans they have in terms of demat account trading. So this is a very lucrative account. If you want, you can open account in mstock. Don't worry, I'll also talk about technology, what kind of technology they are having in terms of trading app, whether it is in Google Store or whether it is in iOS. We'll talk about that also. And there is no hidden charges also. Let us go to Brokerage Calculator and let us see how much you will make. Let's say as an option seller, let's say flat your broker is charging how much? Around 20 rupees. Okay. So number of orders, how much? Let's say on an average you are placing 5 orders. Okay. So yearly saving alone is going to be around 24,000 rupees. So how much? 24,000 rupees. Let's say you are placing 10 orders, on an average 48,000 rupees in saving per year. I'm talking flat 20 rupees per order. Let's say you are placing 10 or 5 orders, you are going to save at least 50k. There is no hidden charges, there is no CM charges, clearing member charges whatsoever, right? So these are all the benefits when it comes to trading in stock. So you will have to say, I'm not saying if you compare with other brokers, you will find stock. Do a research yourself, do an R&D yourself, and you can find that stock is more better or very best when it comes to other brokers. Or you can let me know what you think on the comment section below, right? And in terms of technology, what technology they are offering, and not only technology, I can tell you also about their margin trading facility, which is very, very lucrative in the market. When you compare this margin trading facility with other brokers, I can tell you the margin trading facility is quite straightforward, and they are charging very, very little when you compare with other brokers. To just give you a perspective, they are charging only 7.99%. If you go for a full service broker, or if you go for some other broker who's having heavy customer base or whatsoever, they will be charging you around maybe 12 to 13% for margin trading facility, margin trading facility. They say this is legitimate. I am not saying this is not legal. It is legal. It is approved by SEBI. Legitimate trading. There is no hidden anything. This is whatever they are doing legitimately. They are doing. Of course, a big company which is handled by Mirae Asset doesn't do any unethical things, right? This is all legitimate. So if you want to do a margin trading facility, you can have a margin trading facility. Of course, there is some cost involved in this, but the cost are very less when you compare with other brokerages. So this is the facility of margin trading, MTF. So if you want, you can use the margin trading facility also, but there's a disclaimer. Margin trading facility does have some risk involved in this, so you'll have to be very careful. You'll have to do it at your own risk and responsibility. Consult your financial advisor before using the margin trading facility. Now, in terms of other things, futures and options, mutual funds is on the way. It's in a beta version. So if you want to trade in mutual fund, you can do many things in this one. Advanced order options, option chain, you can place orders from option chain, set trading preference, live market updates are available in terms of option trading tools also. And let me talk about technology. Now, if you are aware, I have been following many traders, many platform, and I have been following many traders in the Twitter. So sometimes there are issues like technical glitches. You cannot place orders will not go through. By the time the orders go through, market would have moved, and your trade would have been in loss, or the things which you would have done or might have thought of doing may not happen because of technical glitches. Now, this platform, when it comes to mstock, there is zero technical glitches, no issues at all till now. That is what I have heard. And onboarding is very easy. On top of that, they have integrated their platform with the trading view. So if you are trading, if you are a trader who are or let's say if you are a scalper, if you want to trade from the charts, you can place directly, you can place orders from the chart directly itself, you can place orders from the trading view itself. So there are lots of facilities you can do with mstock. So if you want, if you are a person who is scalping, or if you are a person who is an intraday trader, or if you are a person who relies on the chart very heavily, I would suggest going for mstock. Right. So I think I have summarized the things, which facilities which mstock has been giving to you. In case if you want to open an account with mstock, I will leave the link in the description below. Click the link and just join KYC. Just it's a very easy joining process. It wouldn't take even 10 minutes. eKYC, all online process. So I hope you find this video very useful. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.
Investments in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.